Katie here, and welcome to my channel. Hey, I do hope that you're having a good day today. It's the 10th today, and I really need to clean my house, considering the fact that I finally got the email I was expecting about my rental property inspection. So I gotta declutter. I gotta make sure it looks nice. You know, like, I'm not really worried about it, but I'm a little worried about it. My house is a bit depressed right now, and it needs done. I have a whole laundry list right there. If I can actually search, that's really hard to do, actually. Okay, anyways. Yeah, so I'm cleaning today, but I didn't film yesterday. Like, I filmed a thing, but I didn't vlog. But here's my past self. I've been in bed all day, and I put on a new shirt. So I guess I haven't been in bed all day, but I've been in bed all day. But I put this shirt back on because it's already dirty, and I haven't showered this morning, and I didn't want to get another shirt dirty. So if you think it's not today, I'm sorry, but it is. See, new pants. I've just been in bed all day. I'm not gonna upload today. I mean, vlog today. I'm feeling a mess from not having worked out for 3 years, and then all of a sudden hitting the gym again for 4 hours, and then starting my period. So I'm just gonna pet my dog, who's never looking at the camera ever anytime I film him. Look how cute you are. You're a cutie. You're a cutie. Ooh, there's something fun I like to do, and it makes him go wild. Are y'all ready for this? It's gonna be loud. Are you ready for it? Are you ready? Chili! You're so cute. He's so cute. Anyways, I'm elated for the fact that I thought I was supposed to be at work at 2:15, and I don't have to be there for another 15 extra minutes well, 2:30 is my clock-in time. Although I would have liked to have left by now, just so that I can, like, have time. This is a very awkward angle. I don't know. This is even more of an awkward angle, but how's my double chin from there? I need to clean all of that off up there. But that's another day. That's not today. Today, I've been talking for 3 minutes about nothing, and I think that constitutes a vlog. I will, however, be setting this up so that it's a 2-day vlog. So, back to my future self for day 9 of Vlogmas, because today is July 8th, right? So, no. Oh my gosh, my dog is an attention hoe. Okay, yeah, day 10. Today's July 9th, so I'm sending y'all back to day 10. Thanks for watching today's vlog. Man, that person that past me really looks up to me, and I don't understand why, because we're the same person. Anyways, I must say, my stomach is still, my uterus, though, not so much. It's just like the fact that I worked out my muscles in my stomach for the first time in maybe like about 1.5 years, and a half, 2 years. And I basically did the same thing that I used to do, except maybe in a little bit less quantity. But like, my stomach muscles have never hurt this bad in my life. I can't remember a time in which it felt like this. Like, I low-key kind of want to throw up a little bit half the time is what it feels like. And I don't know if that's in conjunction with the lady woes, my womanly woes, or if it's just that I work too hard and I'm old. But yeah, it still hurts. I wish there was something I could do about it, but there really isn't anything I can think of. It's all like right here. Down here is pretty fine in the stomach muscle area, but like my diaphragm area, it wants to just be cut out, thrown in the trash. You know, it's not even my diaphragm. It's like literally just my upper abs. Hurts. But that's good in a sense. I think I overworked it though. I need to eat some protein or something. I don't know. I really don't know. I really need to get a new camera too. But anyways, I need to do some cleaning. I'm going to try a thing, and it's probably not going to work, but I really want it to work. I don't think my editing software can do it, but I have a vision. You know, it's just like you have the image, and then it does like the sprinkling thing, the shimmery thing, and then it's a new image behind it. I want to do that.
Wow!
Hi! Okay, so it's raining outside and that's absolutely lovely. But what's even more lovely is, oh my gosh, it's so pretty in here right now. And for the first time in like the whole time I've been on YouTube, maybe, this section's actually organized and kind of nice. I'm really excited. It took me like, I don't know, 4 hours to do all of that though. So that's still not done. My floor is a hot mess. And yeah, I still haven't done laundry, but, and I need to do the top of my fridge. It's very dusty. I'm excited with what I got done, but at the same time, I just realized that I have to be at work an hour earlier than I thought. So good thing for me, I didn't wait to check, and I still have an hour to get ready for work before I have to leave. So yeah, this is today's vlog. I will see y'all later tonight because I have like a GM meeting that I have to go to tomorrow, and I have to be up and make sure that I'm not late to that because I've been late to 2 of them already and I've only had 3. So it's not a good situation for me. It does not look good at all. It's not cute. And I'm really disappointed. I mean, it's only been like 5 to 10 minutes late, I believe. But still, that's late. Not being early to something like that is late. And, yeah. Anyways, I'm not gonna sleep tonight, is what I'm saying. Which is gonna be kind of difficult. And I'm a little worried about it because if I don't sleep, then I might fall asleep and then I'll be later or just not be able to make it. And that's not a good sign. But I'm gonna be vlogging tonight, cleaning my house and hoping that I get it to a decent shape by Wednesday. Anyways, I'm gonna edit this hopefully just for 30 minutes. And I hope that you have a lovely day wherever you're at. I've gotta go. Bye. Love ya.